guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really great. So in this video we are going to do the unboxing of my new Videomic. So let's do this. So before doing this guys, if you haven't seen my last unboxing video, I am giving the link in the iCards. Go and watch. So guys, before doing the unboxing, let's talk about the box I got from the Amazon. This is called the story box. Here is the story of the seller. So I really like the concept of this box, and let's do the unboxing and let's see what else we get inside the box. This is my new Videomic. The front we can see that it's from Boya. Let's check the box. At sides we get some barcodes and the Boya branding. At back we can see the features, specifications, and MRP says 3750, but I got this at 1295. So let's open this and check what else we get inside the box. So these are all the things we get inside the box. It's mic, TRS cable, TRRS cable, stand, and some carry case. It also have the Boya branding. So I have somehow managed to attach the mic to my tripod. This is how it looks like. Now you guys are listening my voice from my phone's internal mic. I guess you can hear that fan sound at the background. So now let's connect the Boya mic and see is there any difference in the voice quality. So now listening my voice from the Boya MM1 mic. So I guess you can able to find the difference between using an internal mic and an external mic. I hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Before ending this video, I have an important notice for you. So this is going to be my last video in this year. So happy new year guys. Hope you have a great 2020. Meet you in my next video.